Shocking, isn't it? Hello people, Zap20 here. Today we are playing White Noise Online Part 2 with Jorn Nightmane. We're literally starting right where we left off. Literally.
Yeah.
So, you continue whenever you want to.
Okay.
It's either going to be a short episode or another long one where we actually beat the game.
Maybe. But damn it, I think he's right behind me.
He's spooky scary. Shit. We literally, during the time it took to upload the first episode, we were all relaxed now. Now we're all tense again.
Yeah.
Remember, you can turn off your light. We can still see, but people on YouTube won't.
I know. Oh, shut up! I'm not gonna need the light to know where's the door.
It's straight ahead and one over there, too. I just hope he doesn't just be like, boo, you're dead now! What is that on the floor there?
Footprints.
Oh, there was something over there, but whatever. Oh, those are benches. We're trying to be so careful here. I know you guys can't see, but we can at the moment.
Yeah.
Very hard to tell. You can still see stuff, like there's something we're walking past right now.
Yeah. Shut up!
That's the pots again. Go.
Oh, come on! This way? Oh, jeez, I think I'm gonna corner myself. Damn it, I knew it!
Unless these are different pottery. Your light is really flickering.
I know.
The battery is soon gonna die.
I know.
The moment your character seems calm, because normally they would start heavy breathing at this point. After all the times we've been jump scared already. I just wish we could map out this area, but it's not as easy as it sounds.
Yeah. It's like a maze in here.
You went up there already.
Have I?
Yeah, you went up there.
So this way.
Yeah. Be careful, it might just appear down there when you have your light on.
Which way? Okay, that way's a dead end. I'm just probably walking around in circles. I knew it! Circles!
Just go straight through that door up there. Is it an open door? Yeah, okay, good.
Which way?
Don't go that way. It's the music. It's literally just the music that's what's getting us right now.
I know.
Oh, I hear whispering.
I know. I think the totems nearby or behind me.
Or it just could be just trying to mess with us. Go straight.
Straight?
Where are the other four?
I don't know.
Go that way. There's a door straight ahead. At least I think there is.
If you bring me to a wall.
Yeah, there's a door straight ahead.
Oh, good,
It's very hard to see. You guys can only see like tiny particles. Maybe if I zoom in a bit, maybe you'll be able to see a little bit better. We're gonna check.
Okay, we're back at the statues.
Alright, so isn't there a go towards the, you know, that red line that was in this room? Oh, right across there. Yeah, go in there. You can. You just go around.
Oh, okay.
Positive you can. Yeah, see? There we go.
Oh, shut it, monster!
Turn it off.
Okay, let's go this
Turn
way.
on really quick. Turn. Oh, you're in a corner.
Oh, crap.
That was your fault.
Shut up. Just
that
going this
way.
way. Going this way. Going this way. Oh! Oh my god! Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap!
Oh, we're gonna die.
I know!
We're gonna die. You're dead. Game over, man. Game over. Game over.
Oh god! Oh god! That really scared me. Enemies.
How did we not die?
I know!
You lucky piece of shit. How'd we not die?
I don't know!
Maybe we'll get a 5th cassette tape or something.
I don't.
Go that way. Go that way. Oh look, it's a statue of a face. Of a few faces, actually. This is new. Something new. We might hear we might hear it somewhere in here. These heads are really disturbing. I thought I just saw him.
Okay, there's a way out.
So there was nothing in here.
Nothing.
I think there would be, but there isn't. I'd be careful with the light there, eh?
I know it's dying out. But really, I can't see a thing.
I can. Turn that way.
This way?
Wait. Yeah, go that way, I guess. Yeah, go that way. I just hope we don't loop back to where we were.
I know. This is like a loop.
Yeah, this looks something new. At least I hope it is. Yeah, go that way. There's a door right there.
Does the other maps get a little spooky and dark?
The other maps are spooky, yeah. Go that way.
This way?
That way.
Shut up!
We've been going in circles most of the time, so this is something new. As I hope it is something new. If it's not, I'm gonna be angry.
Oh! God!
We're so dead. You were walking towards it.
No, he's... I think he just plays tricks on us and moves away. If I feel my controller vibrating, that means he's very close.
Do you feel it vibrating?
No.
Oh, there's one near here. Is that it right there? Right on the coffin there? Right there. We got 5! We got 5! Oh my gosh, okay.
This is be worse.
This is progress. Oh, that's a totem. Look away, that's a totem.
So it just glows like a ghost. Did I hear another?
No, that's the totem. Oh shit. You're walking towards it. Oh, fucking hell!
I thought
Fucking hell! Jesus Christ! Holy shit!
Nearly half an hour.
Oh god! In memory of me, of course. That was your. We walked really far. We screamed once. How did we only scream once? Okay, let's look at this replay of how we did. That's the map. This is what we did.
Okay.
And so that's where we got the first one. Oh, that was a scream, I think. There was another one. There was another one. There was a scream. There's another one. Yeah, that's when we went back for it. So we were mostly at the bottom of the map. You could tell we went in circles. Oh, there was another scream. Another freak out. Notice. Another notice.
And then we go that way.
And we come back.
I mean, really, it's just like a big maze.
This was our... Well, we kept on going down the same path each time. That was the problem. Like, literally down the same path.
Look at me going.
Oh, there was a scream there. Okay, this is when we went finally into new territory, and I made you go up here. So there was another scream. There was another piece. Another scream. That's where we died. So there we go. That was White Noise Online. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. We did. It was scary as hell.
Yeah.
And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Derp, 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 derp. Bye.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yep. Say bye.
Bye.